Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to change Grubhub driver region. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually change your Grubhub driver region? So this might be kind of difficult because we need to visit the original website as well as contact support for this one, because currently there is no built-in functionality for us to change the region for our account via our account settings. Now in this case, first thing you want to do here is you want to go to grubhub.com in your browser. Any browser would do. Now, once in their website, what we need to do next is we need to scroll down at the very bottom here until you see this section here. Now, from here, you should look for the useful links section and click on the help option. Now, in the next page, what we need to do is just basically sign in into our account. And once you're signed in, the next thing you want to do is you just want to report something into help or their support. Now in this case, just notify them that you want to change your Grubhub driver account region, and from there they should be able to basically help you on changing your region. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.